In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Snapstar on Snapchat at 2025. Snapstar status isn't automatic. Snapchat manually reviews accounts and looks for real audience engagement, authentic behavior, and a strong public presence. So the journey starts with building a public engaged audience. Show up consistently with original, high quality content and post to public stories so new people can discover you. Aim to grow your follower count. Many creators use 50,000 or more as an unofficial benchmark, but what matters most is meaningful engagement. Daily or near daily posting helps, and mixing stories with Spotlight can expand your reach. Reply to comments, acknowledge fans, and encourage interaction. Consistency and community are signals Snapchat pays attention to. Next, make sure you're using your public profile. Open Snapchat, tap your Bitmoji, then go to My Public Profile. Add a clear profile photo, a concise bio that explains what viewers can expect, and links to your other platforms. Turn your stories to public so they're discoverable. A complete professional public profile increases your chances of being surfaced to new audiences and shows Snapchat you're creator ready. Keep your branding consistent across your photo, bio, and content style, and avoid sharing any private or sensitive information. Now focus on creating recommendation-worthy content. Snapchat evaluates engagement rates, how frequently you post, the quality and uniqueness of what you make, and whether your content feels timely and culturally relevant. Big spikes in views or strong public interaction can raise your visibility during review. Build around original storytelling, short and highly shareable clips, and engaging spotlight videos. Hook viewers in the first seconds, keep edits tight, use captions when helpful, and deliver value, whether that's entertainment, education, or both, so people watch to the end and share. When your content and audience are strong, apply through Snapchat's official form. Open the app, go to settings, and search for Snapstar or creator support to find the application. You'll be asked for details like your Snapchat username, legal name, content category, and links to other social media. Submit the form and wait for review. There's no guaranteed timeline. Importantly, Snapchat does not charge for Snapstar verification and does not allow third parties to sell it. If anyone offers to fast track you for a fee, it's a scam. Finally, be patient and consistent. Reviews can take weeks. Keep posting regularly, improve what works, and if you're not approved, don't reapply immediately. Focus on growing your audience and raising content quality first. Even large creators sometimes wait. Strong engagement is what ultimately moves the needle.